welcome back to another video. My name is Mlouhi. I'm the listing agent of Crown Heritage Homes, and today we're bringing you another home tour. So today we're going to tour La Hacienda. This home is 3,200 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, and has a 3-car garage. This is a multi-generational home with an attached casita, and it is described as a modern take on a Spanish hacienda. So without further ado, let's get started. Here in your courtyard, you have high walls just to give you a more private feel. You'll also notice you have these floating concrete walkway to help give the home a more custom look. And you have this beautiful black iron gate with a round top to help give it more of an hacienda-like feel. So right as you come into your home, you're welcomed by this 8-foot tall entry door. This entry door has a frosted glass panel to bring as much natural light into your entryway as possible. Additionally, you'll also notice it's 42-inch wide to help give you more space, and you have a black handle to match your black finish to help give it a more seamless look. Okay, so besides your entry door, first thing that you see when you come in is this expansive U-shaped floor plan asset of the home. The floor plan and the window placement for this home was very intentional. The design team wanted this home to be very family friendly because it is a multi-generational home. So because of that, we left this big space in the middle of the home for the buyers to put a pool, some sort of fire pit, or really cool landscaping design, so that immediately as you and your guests come into your home, boom, make your home leave more of a lasting impression. So right off of your entryway, you enter into the main part of your home, which is your entertainment space. As I mentioned, the designers were very pragmatic about the window placement for this home. They wanted to give it a very indoor-outdoor feel so that you can enjoy this home all year long. One of those things is placing a sliding glass door here right off of your living space. You can open this to enjoy your pool or any backyard amenity that you may have. In addition, as you'll notice, they put windows across the entire surface area of the U-shaped floor plan to help bring as much natural light into your home as possible and to help capture the views of your beautiful backyard landscaping. Additionally, in your entertainment space, you'll notice we have a fireplace design, floor to ceiling, with this beautiful stone-like material to help give it a more custom look. And to help the space feel even more open, we have a 12-foot high ceiling in your kitchen, dining room, and living room space with this beautiful wood-like trellis design. And off of your living space, we can enter into your chef's kitchen. Your island is oriented parallel to your living space so you can more openly interact with your guests and you don't have any partitions separating you from them. We have quartz countertops on your island and throughout the rest of your kitchen. In addition, you have a gas cooktop with boom spice racks on both sides so you have easy access to your spices. Additionally, you have 42-inch high upper cabinets, giving you plenty space for storage. And we also have a Pfister plumbing fixture in a matte black finish to help give your kitchen a more sleek look. Moving into the other wing of your home, as you'll notice, we also have this Pella sliding glass door, so just to help add to the overall indoor-outdoor feel of the home. And here we can go to your zone primary bedroom. As you notice, we also have 8-foot tall interior doors throughout the rest of the home. And this one will welcome us into your primary suite. So here in your bedroom, as you'll notice, we have this beautiful ceiling design with LED lighting. This barn door will lead you into your primary bathroom. Here in your primary bathroom, you can enjoy this freestanding soaking tub for all of your bubble baths and to de-stress from a long day at work. You'll also notice we have a wall-mounted tub filler in a chrome finish and this beautiful shower design. Here we've incorporated a high polished porcelain tile to help give this space more of a luxe finish. Above counter vessel sinks, these beautiful gold frame mirrors just to help give this space a more custom look. And the designers also incorporated this vanity area so that you can put your makeup here and you have this drawer for all of your makeup products. And now that we're finishing with the main portion of your home, we can enter into the attached casita. which is right off of your private courtyard entrance. This casita has its own private entrance. But what are the benefits of having this attached casita? If you need an office space, instead of having a mother-in-law in here or a family member, this would be the perfect space to utilize, especially if you need to meet with clients every now and then. Instead of your clients going through the entire main portion of your house, maybe the kids have left some puzzle pieces and Legos all over the floor, they don't have to see that because your office has its own private entrance. So let's go inside and check it out. And here you have your casita living space. As you'll notice, we have this tile flooring to help keep things nice and clean in here. Another big asset of this area is the 7-foot-high windows with an arched top. These windows are black on the exterior and white on the interior to help add more of a designer element on your exterior elevation. And because you have these windows in here, if you need an office space, a fitness area, a wellness room, this space would be perfect because of the natural light that this room lends. No one likes focusing on a hard task in a small, crowded room. So this space gives you the perfect area to let your creativity run wild because of all of the natural light and the open feel. Additionally, your casita also has this kitchenette. This would be great for a mother-in-law who maybe has some friends coming over and she wants to make them a quick drink. Or if you have clients, you can have a coffee machine here. As you'll notice, we put outlets on both sides of the kitchenette. Or if this is a wellness space, you have this opening right here where you can keep your protein shakes and other beverages to hydrate after a tough workout. Not to mention a sink to wash your hands or clean any dirty dishes that you may have. From here, we can enter into the casita's bedroom. Here we incorporated carpet to help keep your feet warm in those cold winter months. And as you'll notice, you have 2 sets of closet doors, so you have plenty of room for storage. And off of your bedroom, you have an attached ensuite 3/4 bathroom. Here in this bathroom, you have a shower design so that if you have an elderly parent living in here, they don't have to step over that big tub. And this area is where it attaches to the main portion of your home. Off of your casita, you also have a laundry room, and the casita even has its own 1-car garage, so she can mostly just stay in this space, and you have the autonomy to make this space almost a unit of its own. We hope you all enjoyed this tour of La Hacienda and the unique elements that this home had with its Spanish Hacienda style feel. What did you all think of this home? We would love to know what you think in the comments below. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the love. And make sure to stay tuned for more luxury home tours coming very soon. Thank you again for watching. We'll see you next time.